Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time. Yes. So I'm back now. Today's video is on Gele tutorial. Yes, you heard that right, Gele tutorial. It has been a very long time I did a tutorial on Gele because I actually stopped tying Gele. As a matter of fact, if you go down my page, I think the first video you see is a video on Gele tutorial. It's a Gele tutorial video. So I actually just decided to start tying Gele again. So I'm brushing up my skills now, and I just decided to do something simple as I'm just a beginner now. Okay, so this video is beginner friendly. So what I did, I think I did 60-40. Yes, I divided Gele into 60 by 40. Then from one, this is a V-shaped Gele, just a simple round. Like I said, beginner friendly. We know when you are doing V-shaped Gele, you cover one part of the ear and you use the crossover to the back end of the other ear, and then you cross from the back behind. The longer side goes under the Gele, then the shorter side goes up from the behind. Then when you cross it, the shorter side, you use it to cover the ear. And I think I did about 4 pleats, then I pinned it. Now taking the longer side of the Gele, I'm going ahead. I did like 4 pleats. I'm now coming here to tie it. Sorry, I'm not tying it, I'm actually pinning it. So I just followed the 4 pleats I did and I pinned it behind so I can start my pleats. Now for you to pleat your Gele, you have to make sure pleating, I think it was actually pleating that little bit I just discouraged from Gele, because you actually need a lot of patience. So this is beginner friendly. If you are the lazy type that you don't really like to pleat, just this is very easy and sharp, everything is done. So you just pleat from beginning. Whatever you pleat from one end, you take it down to the other end. You follow the pleats. You don't rush. You follow the pleats one after the other. You can see what I'm doing. And of course, I'm sure you all know I'm a makeup artist, so I did this makeup. Yes, the video on this look is coming up soon. It should be up by the grace of God, maybe tomorrow or hopefully next week. But my plan was tomorrow. I didn't even plan to actually send this video or this Gele tutorial. I just did it. It was just the spur of the moment decision. I wanted to do the makeup first. Sorry, post the makeup first, then the Gele later. But I just said, let me just post Gele. Okay, now back. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and of course comments. Thank you so much. God bless you. Now I'm trying to arrange the Gele, the pleats. Yes, for what I did on the other side, I went on the other side, on the right side. What I did on the left side, I went on the right side to arrange it and make sure they are all falling into place and equal. You can see what I'm doing. Yes. So just look at it. I'm just following the pleats. See, it's pretty much easy. This is beginner friendly, like I said. Now I'm going behind. I'm also following the pleat from behind because I want to pin it. If you don't follow the pleat, the Gele will scatter. It will not be well done. You can see from behind. Now I'm still following. Look at it at a hair. You can see it now. Just arranged it accordingly, neatly, then rolled it, and I want to pin it to secure it. Make sure you make it firm, not tight, but at least firm, so you'll be sure that Gele is not going to fall because you know you're not tying it. Now I'm wrapping the excess, the remaining of the Gele, to make the back appear at least look neat, not rough. So they will not say, who is the person that tied this thing? Okay. I'm through now. I'm looking at the mirror to adjust it. I like to look at the mirror while adjusting Gele to be sure both sides are equal. Once it's done, we're good to go. Yes. So here we have it. Whew. It is so cute and very simple. Like I said earlier, the makeup is everything just blended rather. See her smile. She's so cute. I love the lips, the Gele, everything about this look. Don't worry, just stay tuned to this channel. This video on this look should be dropping tomorrow by the grace of God. So tell me what you like about this video. Should I do more Gele tutorials? Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you in my next video.